So we've just done Smuggler's Run. We were both engineers. A lot of fun, but our pilots and gunners weren't very good. So they let the side down, I'm afraid. So if the resistance collapses, it's not our fault. Speaking of resistance, we're now on our way to go and do Rise of the Resistance.
Our boarding's called up and it is 10:42.
Which isn't bad. Oh, I'm excited for this. Backside of water. Right here, excellent view of it. That is. We're not going to film it. We're just going to enjoy it. Or hate it. It's not very good. No, excited.
Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 Num, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Walt and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Right, this way is clear. All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute, reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. Try to shake your Batuu. We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
What are they?
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention! All aboard this transport. This ship is now under the command of the First Order. Off the ship.
That's fantastic. Incredible. But we came through them doors.
You're a resistance spy. Typically, I don't wear the insignia from a spy, but who did Kylo Ren have to kill to promote you to that job? Who thought you'd be wise to go on a mission to get captured? He's gonna be real upset when I inevitably break out of here. How many?
Two.
How many? Two. Single file along the wall. Two forward. Secondary line here. Unit of two. You mind? Two forward. How many? Secondary line. Three. Right. Hold that. Unit of one. Single file line to the rest there. How many? How many?
Feel like a prisoner. It's like you're actually
Get ready.
being active, I think. Look. Just wants to fight.
I don't think they can.
I'll sort them out.
Full lines, follow me. Full lines. Hold here and hold here. How many here? One on red. How many here? One on red. Two on red. How many here? Four on blue. How many here?
Two.
Two on orange. How many here?
Two.
Two on orange.
Single file.
Press the button.
No.
Press the button.
No.
Press the button.
No.
Press the button.
No.
Why?
Silver and orange will follow.
Where do we go?
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Wait, you're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
I'm gonna film, but I'm not gonna look what I'm filming at. Okay? Because I'll be watching it with these eyes. Through here, not through here.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now give him move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Rogue droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the doors of the prisoners. We have a breach in the touching lottery.
Power is blown. Find an alternate route. Pick these two droids anyway.
Priority lost. Detachment to level 3. There they are! Fire! Take care of the troops! Escape pods disposed!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance. Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffold's talking.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
How cool was that? That's fantastic. It's a little bit shorter than I hoped. You're right, it's the theme of this film. It's amazing. I loved it. I don't know how much you saw.
Excuse my language, but that shit's on Smuggler's Run. Don't it?
Absolutely.
That was just... best ride. Don't bother with Avatar. Oh, it was amazing. It was fantastic, wasn't it? Must do. That should be a must do Disney.